Hi guys, welcome to Planet Daryl, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this Sunnylife Metal Adapter for the Pocket 3, which I have right here. Right? So without further ado, let's crack this baby open. And this is very helpful, this item, is because it helps me to record and mount the Pocket 3 on my backpack. Of course, without the handle to keep it light, small and compact. Wow. So as you can see, when you open up, they are properly nestled inside this foam or sponge, and comes with these 3 items, as you can see right here. So this is the holder, metal holder, and of course these are the thumb screws. Okay, but I'm using it with my DJI Tech clip, which I love because it's heavy duty steel and they have a great grip on things, and I just love using it. So yeah, so that's one. So how do we attach it here? Simply we add it to this point here. Okay, wow, that's tight. Okay, let's align this. Put this in. If it's not going in, it's because it's not aligned yet. Okay, accessories, right? Can live with it, them can't live without them. Okay, it's a lot of trial and error to make sure that you get it right, but yes, I got it right now. So just have to lock it in, make sure it doesn't come out. So again, love this. Okay, so now it's held on in place. I'm very curious, how do you get the Pocket 3 into this thing? Okay, so basically you can just, wow, it's like a perfect fit. Okay, very tight fit. So basically you add it in, and then oops, luckily. Okay, let's dismount this first. Actually, this is my first time taking this out. Since I bought the Pocket 3, this has been installed all the time. Alright, so back to here. So here is the same thing. You just have to push it all the way in, because there's a rubber sole inside and it's really holding in place. This thing is not moving. Alright, the only thing is still scary, that it is, yeah, it's a very firm grip. Okay, and do take note, the SD card slot is closed off because of this. Okay, so what you could do is to stabilize it further, you can just mount this baby in, and there you have it. It's very tight. Now this seems pretty heavy, but it works, right? So there you go. Aha! Right, this should work. Now I'm gonna test this out, and I'll get back to you guys how this works. And what I do like compared to the Pocket 3 official mount is that this is a much smaller profile, right? And then because that thing juts out even further. Okay, so but I think this is a good compromise, and it works well. Yeah, it's very tight, and more importantly, there's no rattling sound except from the gimbal, of course, since it's off. Yeah, lovely. Alright, so I shall put the description to the link below. I got it from Shopee, sent from China, of course. And then, yeah. Oh, it's actually, the name is etched here as well. Alright, thanks for watching. Do subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.